Hi everyone, this is Farah and welcome to my channel. Today I have a really exciting video because it's a haul video and not just any haul, it's a Threadup online thrift store haul. I have never shopped with Threadup before. This video is not sponsored or anything like that. I wish it was, but I just lately have been trying to be a lot more mindful of my purchases, and so I've really been looking at holes in my closet or things I really love, instead of just doing like constant buying of items just because they're trendy. And so these couple items that I'm going to show you guys today I've thought about a lot, and I've also been trying to be a little bit more sustainable and trying to thrift if I can. So I'm not saying I'm not going to ever buy anything in store. I don't think I'm there yet, but I'm trying to slowly journey towards being a little bit more mindful of things that I own, and I think thrifting is a good way to do that. And I had never thrifted online really before, to this degree. I've shopped on like Poshmark, Fashionphile, that kind of thing for certain items in the past, and the RealReal. So I guess I have, but not where it's just mostly just been like clothes. I don't think I've ever just done like a big haul where I've gotten like tons of clothes or anything like that online, but this is kind of like my foray into it. But I am going to show you guys 5 clothing items. They're all dresses. As you guys know, I absolutely love dresses. So these are all items that I really were thinking about and wanting. So let me go ahead and show you guys. So this is the box. I took the label and everything off, but this is the Threadup box. It's really cute. It's got like these little green polka dots on it. So I think when it comes, it's just like a really cute box. And let's get into the unboxing. I'm excited. It's actually quite hefty, the box, but it's got 5 dresses, so we'll see. And I'll show you guys, there was one dress in particular that kind of started this whole purchase, and then once I was going to make that purchase and paying for shipping and stuff, I was like, well, if I purchase a little bit more, then I get free shipping, which I know is like not the mentality you always want to run into, but the other items I really did also like, so hopefully I'll like them in person. But let me go ahead and open up this box. Alright, so open it up. Ooh, that's nice. They've got like the matching to the box little tissue paper, and it says, "Hey, nice pics," a little sticker on here. Oh, and I can already see some of the items picking. I mean, it is packed to the brim. So this is how it looks on the inside. When you open it up, they put it in a nice tissue paper. And so let me go ahead and just open this. Alright. Okay. And they just kind of got like the dresses kind of stacked up like this. But let me go ahead and get started. So, okay. The first dress, I can see it. I've been wanting a like chambray denim dress for some time now. It's been on my list. Let me put this box down. And just haven't been able to find anything in stores. And on Threadup, it's really nice because you can search by exactly what you want. And there was like hundreds of chambray dresses. So it was really nice because I could go by my size, my price range, and color exactly that I wanted, and then I was just narrowing it down. And this you can see it's a nice pretty light blue chambray, which is what I wanted. This is a dress originally from Old Navy, and I got this for like $7, $8, because they had a discount code. So whatever the price was, I think I got like, because it was my first time shopping with them, I think like 40 or 50% off, something like that, off the price they already had. And if you met a certain amount, if it was over a certain price, I also got free shipping, so it was great. This was like literally $7 and something cents, ran up to like $8. So here we go. I like it. It's a nice material. It's 100% cotton. They list on the website what the material is, which I'm really trying to look nowadays. Yep, and it's 100% cotton on here, because I want like just more sustainable, breathable materials, not like all polyester and like nylon, acrylic. I'm trying to avoid those if possible, just because I realize linen, cotton really just feel so much better. So this is it. It's kind of like I would say right above the knee dress. It's got one little pocket, some like white buttons, and I really wanted one that had like a little tie at the waist. So this one has a little cinch tie at the waist as well, and it buttons all the way down. Long sleeves that have buttons at the end of it and like a button in the center so you can kind of cuff the sleeve up. So I thought it would be like really versatile to wear in the summer, and then like kind of as it starts to cool down, you could wear it more then too. And you can open it all the way up, so it's almost like it's like a shirt dress that you can also just wear open, I think. So I like it. I like the color. So excited about that, and it feels really nice as well. All of these were listed as in like pretty good condition. So far, I mean, I haven't like detailed inspected or anything like that, but just from what I saw, it looks like it's good. All right, so then the next dress is this one. Now this one is one where I was trying to find this dress in store for the longest time and I could never find it. This is by Universal Thread, which is like a Target brand. It's a white long dress with like tiered skirt part of it. It's also 100% cotton, and it's got like ruffle sleeves. This was like a really popular dress that was just always sold out in my size, and I really wanted it. Like I had seen it in store, in person. I think I had even tried it on, but it was like multiple sizes too big for me, and I knew I needed a small, which is what this is. I love the material. It's like this white, like gauzy kind of material. And I have some other items from them in this material, which I just love. And in store, I had already tried it on, and it wasn't like see-through or anything like this. It has pockets, I remember. Yep, pockets, which is great. And I love the like ruffle detail. I love white, as you guys can see. So I really like this one, and I like the long tiered skirt and everything like that. So yeah, I'm excited to finally have it, and hopefully the size is like my right size. It should be from like all the dimensions and things I was looking. So yes, a nice white top. So love it, and was excited to get this because I've wanted this for some time. So was happy to find it online. And this was, I want to say, like $15 or so. I think originally it was 30 something, so that was good. And then let's see here. Okay, now the next dress, this is kind of like a last minute dress, but I've always wanted a long sleeve red floral dress, like very specific. This one is polyester, so it wasn't like my favorite fabric preference, but I liked it. So this is it. This is from ASOS. And I actually don't think I own anything from ASOS, so this was like, just try something new from there. It's like a red long sleeve, kind of like balloon sleeves a little bit, which I realized the more and more I've been like seeing, okay, what do I really like? I realized, you know, my colors that I like are white, creams, oranges, reds, pinks, and blues. Like that is my color scheme, I think. And so this kind of has like, you know, the red, and it's got little purple, kind of pinkish kind of floral detail there. But I realized I have like a feminine style, so I like sleeve detail. I like when things do have sleeves. I like when there's a little bit of floral detail, usually like smaller kind of florals. I like V-necks. Like I think the more and more I'm kind of looking into my closet and seeing, okay, what are the pieces that, you know, bring me joy, if you will, make me happy, that I love to wear. I'm starting to see the trends within them to help me kind of define my style. So I think that's kind of like, if you guys are ever looking to see what is your style, it's a good way to do that. You know, it's a tangent, but it's something I've been working on lately. But this is also like a baby doll style dress. You can see it's got like that tier ruffle in the bottom, which I always love. So this was like a size 6. Yep. So kind of big, but I wanted it oversized because I was a little bit afraid it'd be too short being baby doll. I will say the material is kind of strange. It's almost like a little bit see-through. I don't know if you can see my hand through it. It's not too bad, but it's an interesting material. It doesn't feel as nice as like the 100% cotton 2 dresses I just showed you, but I do like the print, so I like that it has sleeves. So no, I'm excited to have that. It's something very specific that I've been wanting, so hopefully I like how that is. So that's my red dress. And then the next dress is the reason for this whole purchase. So there was a dress that I had seen at Target about like a year ago, and I had actually even bought it. I had bought it, brought it home, tried it on, and like liked it, but I was like, no, I have too many dresses, I don't need it, I should return it, and I did. And then of course, as I returned it, it went out of stock, and then it was no longer, I could find it in store in my size, and then I just kept thinking about it and thinking about it and tried to put it out of my mind, but I've literally been thinking about it for a year now, like why did I return that dress? I should have kept it. And there's not too many things like that that I've bought that I've returned, that I've regretted, or like that I've donated that I've regretted. I don't think there's anything I've ever donated that I've like really regretted, because that I really think hard about. But that was like a kind of like an impulse buy, impulse return, because I was thinking, oh no, you know, like you don't need it. But then it's like I really liked it. So that was like, I've been thinking about it so much that and I'd already, you know, felt it and tried it on and knew how it looked on me. And the more I started to realize what my style was, I was like, okay, that is something that I really wanted. So I was on the hunt for this dress. So I was looking all online. It's no longer sold on Target, in Target, or online. So I was looking like, you know, Poshmark and, eBay, which I've never bought anything off of eBay, but I was even looking there and I wasn't able to find it like in a decent price or in my size. And then somehow when I was just Googling it, it popped up on Threadup, and I was like, that's the dress. And then that kind of led to looking into Threadup and making the rest of the purchases. But let me show you guys which one. So this is such a cute dress. I love the pattern. This is what got me. So another dress from Universal Thread. Universal Thread, size extra small. Look at this print. I love the print. This was, yeah, like about a year ago they had this. So this is also 100% cotton. Kind of like another baby doll style dress, which I just love. But I love, not only did I like the print, which I think is like a really pretty kind of fall, spring print, but it had just a lot of fun details that I really like. So in the front of the dress, it has all these little pleats. You can see like all this little pleating detail. It's got two little like ties that hang down, so you could make a little bow, or you could just leave it open, which I'd probably leave it open because I like more that V-neck kind of neck. I love the sleeves, like kind of these huge balloon sleeves, but they lay flat, so they're not like super poofy or anything like this. And then I remember I just liked when I tried it on the length of it. It laid really well, and it had pockets. Yep. So then it had pockets and like very comfortable dress, because it's like, it's cotton, and even now I can feel it. The material is amazing, like, and just the print, I don't know why, this color combination is not one that I've seen, or this print, and I just liked these types of flowers. So this was the dress that started it all, but oh, I'm so happy I have it. So this is an extra small, which is what I needed, because these are like really oversized, but I finally have it. And this was only, I think, I didn't tell you guys, I think this price, this one was like $7, which is why, even though it wasn't like the right material, I told you guys this is polyester, I was like, let me just add it because it's only $7, like, but it was everything I wanted other than the material. And this was, I think, maybe with the discount $12 I paid. So yay, I'm so excited to have it. I love the print, like that is so pretty. That's really nice, yay. And then the next dress, if you guys know me and you've watched my channel, you know that if there's something I love, sometimes I end up getting it in multiples, just because it's like tried and true and I love it. So when I was looking at this dress, I saw that this dress came in several prints actually. It came in like a olive, dark green, floral. It came in like a maroon, like reddish floral, and then it came in one that was like blue and white stripe. They actually happened to have the blue and white stripe also on Threadup, and it's a size larger, it's a size small, and I liked it as well, so I thought, let me just get it. So here it is, this one. So this is this print. I thought this was just such a classic print. Like, I don't have anything that's a blue and white stripe, and there's always so many dresses that I see that are like blue and white stripe, which I really like. I just never found like a style that I like, so I thought I already liked the style. And these dresses are so oversized anyways. I didn't think going up one more size would be hopefully that huge on me. So same thing, universal thread dress, same kind of detailing, these big sleeves. It just feels really good, this material. Like it's a really good quality dress. Same thing with the pleating and the v-neck and the little ties that hang down. It's got the pocket as well. This dress was, I think it was the same price as the other one, around about like $11, $12. And it's like right above the knee. So yes, I like this one how I do. I'm glad I got it. I like the blue and white. It's very like classic, a little bit almost like nautical to some degree, although the cut is not. So yeah, I love it. So all these dresses, like this one was just the one that I wanted. The red one from ASOS. Yep, this one. I like the print. So I got some color. Wow, I have a lot of print. And then I guess I go into my neutrals, and I've got my white dress here and the blue chambray. So a lot of different options that I really, really like. I love it. I really do. That was a great haul. So far, I have not seen anything here that's like stands out to me as like a big default. I think it was really described how it was described online and with the photographs. So I'm happy. I'm happy with my haul, and I'm excited now to go wash all that, try it all on, and hopefully everything fits like I'm hoping it would. Like I mentioned to you guys, 3 of the dresses, all the ones from Target, from Universal Thread, I've already tried on in the stores, just not in my size, not all of them in my size anyways, and I already knew I liked them. I just kind of either returned them or kind of, like I just didn't ever end up keeping them when I originally saw them in the stores. And then the other 2, the Old Navy and the ASOS, they look like they're gonna fit. But yeah, that was good. That was a great haul. I'm really excited. I feel like this makes me more motivated to not only thrift, but maybe even thrift online, just because you can really hone in on something specific. I think I don't want to just constantly go into thrift stores and just accumulate things that I maybe not need. I mean, if I'm going to go thrifting in person, I think I want to have a list, like this is exactly what I want to fill the holes in my closet or replace items in my closet, to try to kind of move towards a more minimal, route. And if I'm thrifting online, especially someplace like Threadup or like even just Googling it, eBay, I guess Poshmark, RealReal, you can really search for exactly what you want. So that's my whole haul from Threadup. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys are thrifting, and if so, where do you normally thrift? I'd love to hear that. I make videos on fashion and style, and I love handbags as well. So I would love to have you guys back in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!